Welcome, everyone. I am Blake, and with me is Zara. Today we guide you in a clear English lesson together.
Hello, learners. I am Zara. Our lesson today is talking about your weekend in simple, calm English together today.
Weekends are useful at work, school, and with friends. And warm-up ideas are resting, family visits, or movies.
This lesson is slow and safe. We care about clarity, not speed, so you can feel relaxed and confident.
Teacher note now. We are teaching the simple past, using short sentences to share past weekend experiences clearly today.
Now we explain a key idea. A weekend is shared time, so people ask about it to start friendly conversations easily.
Yes, many people ask, "How was your weekend?" because it feels warm and safe, not because they want long stories.
Some weekends are busy with work, family, or travel, and some weekends are quiet with rest, sleep, or simple home time.
When weekends are busy, people often feel tired but satisfied. And when weekends are quiet, people may feel calm and comfortable inside.
Teacher explanation now. English speakers talk about weekends to connect socially, not to test memory or hear every detail.
So short answers are normal and polite. You can say one sentence, then stop, and that is good English communication.
Listen carefully to these time words. We say last weekend for past time and this weekend for coming time.
I repeat slowly for learning comfort. Last weekend, last weekend. This weekend, this weekend. Feel the time difference clearly. If you feel nervous about past tense, that feeling is normal. We focus on meaning first, then form, step by step. Now we move to actions. We talk about what already finished, like staying home, visiting family, or doing small tasks last weekend.
I will model thinking slowly. Last weekend, I stayed home because I felt tired, and quiet time helped my body relax.
That shows cause and feeling. When you explain why, English sounds natural, even with very short, clear sentences.
Teacher pause here. We are teaching simple past verbs for weekends, like went, watched, stayed, worked, and visited.
These verbs show finished time. We use them when the action is over and cannot change now.
Guiding, listen to the simple pattern. Subject, past verb, small detail. For example, I watched a movie at home.
I repeat the pattern with a new idea. I worked on Saturday, so I felt tired on Sunday evening.
Notice the feeling comes after the action. This helps listeners understand your experience, not just the activity.
If you say, I goed or I watched yesterday, that is okay now. Mistakes are part of learning past tense.
Yes, feel calm. At this level, clear meaning is more important than perfect form, and confidence grows with practice.
Now we move from actions to feelings, because English sounds warmer when we add how the weekend felt inside our body.
Adults often think like this. First, what happened, then how it felt, so the listener understands the full experience.
A good weekend may feel relaxed or happy, while a difficult weekend may feel tired, bored, or a little stressed.
For example, if I cleaned my house all weekend, I may feel tired, even if the work was useful.
Teacher explanation here. We are teaching feeling words after actions, like relaxed, tired, happy, bored, or stressed.
This is a clear structure. Action first, then feeling. We call this cause and feeling, and it sounds natural in English.
Listen carefully to repetition. I stayed home, so I felt relaxed. I worked late, so I felt tired.
I repeat feeling words slowly. Relaxed, relaxed. Tired, tired. Happy, happy. Bored, bored. These are safe words.
You do not need deep emotions. Simple feelings are enough to sound friendly and normal in weekend conversations.
If you feel unsure, that is okay. Adding one feeling word already makes your English sound more complete and human.
Now we gently compare weekends. Adults often think about this weekend and last weekend to understand change or routine.
For example, last weekend may feel busy, but this weekend may feel quiet, so the feeling helps comparison.
We also add small details. A place, a time, or person makes your answer clearer and more real.
Teacher moment here. English speakers usually add only one small detail, not many, to keep answers easy.
You can say, I stayed home with my family, or I went out on Saturday. One detail is enough.
Now notice simple comparison words. This means near now, and last means before now. This weekend, last weekend.
I repeat for comfort. This weekend, this weekend. Last weekend, last weekend. Feel the time difference again.
Short answers sound confident. They show you know what to say and when to stop.
If you worry your answer is too short, relax. Clear English is strong English, even with few words. Now we teach questions and answers. Weekend questions are polite and friendly, not exams, so your mind can stay calm.
Before speaking, adults often think silently first. They choose one action, one feeling, then speak clearly and stop.
Teacher explanation now. Common questions are, how was your weekend? Or what did you do last weekend?
These questions use past time, but answers do not need stories. One clear sentence is correct and polite.
Notice structure gently. Questions ask with did or was, but answers use past verbs or feeling words.
For example, question, what did you do last weekend? Answer, I visited my parents and felt happy.
I repeat the idea slowly. Short answer, clear action, maybe one feeling. That is enough.
Another common question is, did you have a good weekend? You can answer, yes, it was relaxing.
In real life, you can pause. Thinking for a moment is normal and shows care, not weakness.
So breathe, think, then speak slowly. English conversations allow space, and your calm answer is welcome.
Now we enter clear teacher mode. This part teaches key weekend vocabulary you can use many times in real conversations.
First word is weekend. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday, when work or school usually stops for rest.
Situation example. After Friday, people feel lighter. Example sentence. My weekend was quiet and calm.
Next word is stay home. Stay home means you do not go out and remain inside your house.
This word is useful because many people stay home to rest. Example, I stayed home and watched television.
Now a time word. Last weekend means the weekend before now, already finished and completed.
Example situation, today is Monday. Example sentence, last weekend I visited my family.
Another time word is this weekend. This weekend means the coming weekend, near now, not finished yet.
You can say, this weekend I plan to rest. Simple time words help listeners understand quickly.
Now, feeling words. Relaxed means your body feels calm, slow, and not under pressure.
Example, I stayed home so I felt relaxed. This word shows comfort and peace.
Next feeling word is tired. Tired means your body feels weak and needs rest after effort.
Example, I worked all weekend so I felt tired. Feelings explain why the weekend mattered.
Remember teacher reminder here. Learning a few strong words is better than many difficult words.
Repeat and reuse these words often. Clear, simple vocabulary builds confidence and helps real conversations feel easy and natural. Let us review calmly. Today, you learned how to talk about weekend actions, simple feelings, and small details using past time.
Yes, we practiced simple past sentences, like stayed home, visited family, and worked, then added relaxed or tired feelings.
We also used time words like last weekend and this weekend, and learned that one clear detail is enough.
Teacher reminder now. Review is important because repetition helps memory, and memory builds confidence in real English use.
You do not need fast speech. Understanding meaning and structure slowly is more important than speaking quickly.
Now you have useful English for real life. You can answer weekend questions at work, school, or with friends calmly.
Remember the pattern again. Action first, then feeling, maybe one detail. This simple shape works very well.
Feel proud. These are real, strong English skills, and you can already use them outside this lesson.
Now it is time for today's question. Please listen carefully because it is very simple and friendly.
The question is, what did you do last weekend? This question helps you practice past actions calmly.
Easy answers are fine. You can say, I stayed home, or I visited family, or I worked and felt tired.
Teacher note here, short answers are perfect, and mistakes help learning, so do not feel afraid.
Encouraging your answer in comments builds speaking confidence and also helps your listening when you read others.
Take your time. One sentence is enough, and your English grows each time you try.
Thank you for studying with us today. We truly appreciate your time, effort, and focus during this lesson.
If you enjoyed this calm English practice, please like the video and leave your weekend answer below.
You can also subscribe for more gentle English lessons. Regular listening builds confidence step by step over time.
Keep learning slowly and kindly. Your English is growing, and we're happy to guide you again soon.